Hey guys, so I'm going to go ahead and get started on a few problems from section 1, topic 3. The first problem I want to go over is number 6. So number 6 says the recommended heart rate for weight management, exercise, and improving cardio fitness in beats per minute depends on a person's age and can be represented by the expression 7/10 times 220 minus A. So part A asks, what does the variable in the expression represent? So we're talking about the A, and that A is going to represent age. So however old you are, could substitute in for that variable. Part B asks us to rewrite the expression using the distributive property. So we're going to distribute that 0.7 to both of those terms inside the parentheses. So 7/10 times 220 would be 154, minus 7/10 times whatever that person's age is. And then part C asks, what is the recommended heart rate for a 20-year-old person? So we want to substitute 20 in for that A value. So 154 minus 7/10 times 20. And remember, we want to follow order of operations here. So we want to do this multiplication of 7/10 times 20 first. So 154 minus 14 would give us 140, and that would be 140 beats per minute. All right, the next problem I'm going to do is number 9. Number 9 says the state of Maine encourages recycling to give refunds, or by giving refunds for certain recycled items. When you recycle a glass bottle, you get back 5 cents. When you recycle an aluminum can, you get back 10 cents. And when you recycle a plastic bottle, you get back 15 cents. Drinks in glass bottles cost $2, drinks in aluminum cans cost 50 cents, and drinks in plastic bottles cost $1.50. You plan to purchase 2 of each. Use the distributive property to write an expression that represents the amount of money you will spend. So it's not asking us to actually solve, we're just writing an expression. So we know we're buying 2, and we're buying 2 of $2 plus $1.50 plus 50 cents. And that's all that it's asking on part A. Part B, you plan to recycle all of the items you purchase. Use the distributive property to write an expression to represent the amount of refund you'll receive. So now we're using the original information. So those 2 bottles, I'm going to get 5 cents back for the glass bottle, plus I'm going to get back 10 cents for the can, plus I'm going to get back 15 cents for the plastic bottle. So that's the expression for the second one. And then part C, I want to know my net cost. So I want to know my total cost minus how much I'm getting back, my refund, and that'll give me my net. So if I solve that first problem, 2 times 4 would be $8 that I'm going to purchase, minus I'm going to make 60 cents. So my total cost would be $7.40 for all the items. All right, and then the last question, number 10, suppose you're building a rectangular pen for your goats and you use 400 feet of fencing for the pen. Let L represent the pen's length in feet. So which of the following would represent the width? So we know that if we're talking about perimeter, so here's my pen. I have width, length, length. So perimeter is 2L plus 2W equals, in this case, 400. So if I'm trying to figure out the width of the pen, I am going to use this expression right here, because I'm going to take my 400 and subtract my length. Find the width of the pen if you plan on making a pen that's 80 feet long. So we're going to substitute 80 in for that L. So 2 times 80 plus 2W equals 40. So we want to simplify here to get 160 plus 2W equals, oops, this is supposed to be 400. 400, you subtract 160, you get 2W equals 240. So that means the width of your pen is 120 feet for this one. And then part C, find the width and the area if the length is 90 feet long. So same thing we did in part B, but we would have substituted in 90 for that length. So if we did that and then substituted for the width, you should have ended up getting a width of 110 feet. And then we want to multiply 110 times 90 because we're getting the area, and that would be 9,900, and that would be feet And again, let me know on Remind or on email if you have any questions on about any of the other problems in this section. Bye.